Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 8T, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings available on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Sound and Vibration. Then click on this switcher next to Vibrate on Ring to switch on or off incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on this one next to Vibrate on Silent Mode to switch on or off vibrations while your device is muted. Now scroll all the way down, click on Haptics and Tones, so sorry misclick, and tap on this switcher next to System Haptics to switch on or off haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!